Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50 and today's workout. Today we are going to have a resistance band workout. So grab your favorite set of resistance bands and let's get going. We have 5 different exercises, actually 4 different exercises. The first exercise is going to be a warm-up, so we're just going to hop for 2 minutes. You can hop, stretch, whatever you want to do, just get that heart rate moving. I'm going to do my favorite, which is, the no jump rope type of thing. And then we're going to get into our 4 different exercises. Very brief today. We're going to try to do between 8 and 12 repetitions per exercise, and it's going to be everything involved from a little bit of power moves and a little bit of mobility, a mixture of both. So on the power moves, I'm going to call it out. You're going to try to push out, let's say, as hard as you can, and then hold it back and fight the negative for maybe 2 to 4 seconds, depending on the exercise. So let's not waste any more time, guys. By the way, welcome to Fit After 50. My name is Paul. Workouts do come out every Monday and every Thursday, so don't forget, subscribe and come back for a short 20-minute workout, I should say, and every Monday and every Thursday for over 6 years right now. So we'll get started in 10 seconds just because it'll make my math a little bit easier in my little head. And we're gonna jump around 2 minutes of pretend jump rope, starting in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. You don't even have to get off the ground, especially in the beginning. Just kind of get the heels off the ground and do a little bit of jumping. So I'm gonna be turning 55 in about a month, a little bit less than a month. And I have to say, one of the first things that goes, not that I was very explosive ever, but the elasticity and the explosiveness kind of goes away as you age. So today we're gonna try to battle some of that. And also the mobility seems to go away. And me, somebody who was never very flexible, I am working more and more on that in a variety of different ways. Still not very flexible, but you know what? I am better than I was before, and that's kind of the aim and the point, right? So just keep on jumping with me, get the heart rate going, and a little bit of, like I said, explosiveness if you are getting off the ground. And if you're not getting off the ground, just kind of bending your knees, try to get those heels off the ground at least, and move those arms a little bit too to get a full body warm up. We have another minute left, so keep it up, keep moving with me. Keep going, guys. All the workouts are always over here from the basement. That's how they're all filmed. Not a lot of room. I am thinking about getting rid of this closet. It's just storage, and it'll open this up a little bit better for me, a little more for filming, and I won't have to be looking at myself in the mirror every time I freaking work out. All right, let's keep going. Just over 30 seconds left. Keep it up. Keep going, keep going. Now we're at 30 seconds. Let's go. Oh yeah, heart rate is definitely working. We're moving. Like I said, explosiveness and power and a little bit of mobility. That's what we're working on today. We have 15 seconds left. We are gonna go to the broad jump, and we're going for about 8 to 12 repetitions per set. We're gonna do 2 sets per exercise. So jump forward as far as you can, but we'll do that in 3, 2, 1, and now you get to shake it out and relax a little bit. So broad jumps, I'm gonna step away back, jump towards the camera. You jump wherever you wanna jump. The first couple, you can gauge yourself, see how far and how fast you can go, but then try to jump as far as you can. Remember, try to get a nice and soft landing. So let me step back. And as I told you, I'm gonna do the exact same thing. I'm gonna jump forward, try not to fall over. And I'm gonna start off with something easier and shorter. And then since we're doing 8 to 12 reps, progress from there. So you guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, and just kind of gauge how I feel. And there you go, that's 1. Not looking to set a world record here. Just looking to get a nice soft landing. That's 2. And that's 3. 4. Starting to feel better. 5, halfway. I'm gonna do 10. Let's do 10, nice round number. 4 more. Step back, take your time, and explode up and forward. 3 more jumps. 2 more jumps. And then 1 more jump. And that's it. Now we'll take a 30-second break or so, and then we'll move on to the second set of jumps. Nice and easy. Like I said, controlled. I know this might not seem like a very difficult workout, but it's a very functional workout because we do lose that power as we age. You know, not the, you know, some of our are, some of our aren't athletes, but athletes always work out on power and explosivity. And like I said, that kind of goes away as we get older. So this workout brings some of that back, even though it might not seem like a very difficult workout, but it does wake up the nervous system and those moves get kind of rewired and hopefully you'll get better at it. All right, let's do one more set of 10. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and jump with me. 1. Oh, by the way, if you don't have room to jump forward and you have room to jump up, just do your jumps really high. Bring those knees up as high as you can and do the same thing. Just explode up off the ground. That's all we're looking for. Which direction you jump in, I really don't care, as long as you're jumping. There you go. I believe that's 4. Walk back slowly, regather yourself, set your feet, and we're halfway there, right? 5 more. Set those feet. 1, there you go. 2, and back, and 3, and let's do 2 more. I believe that's 10, it might be 12, doesn't really matter. And let's do 1 more. Ready? Last jump, nice soft landing, and there we go. So we got those out of the way. A little bit of lower body explosivity. Now we're gonna work on the upper body. I'm gonna grab a band. You should grab a band. If you only have dumbbells, you're gonna have to do a chest press laying down. If you have a band, like I explained before, I like doing these better standing up because it gives me more range of motion. It's gonna be the same thing, guys. This band is gonna be relatively tough. We're gonna go for 10 to 12 repetitions. You're gonna explode up and then fight the negative on the way down. I want the negative to be about 2 to 4 seconds, all right? And as always, I like twisting my band around. It seems to slip less on my back. Put it in behind me, and we're doing the same thing. Gonna explode up, forward, I should say. And then we're gonna hold it for a split second and fight the negative. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Up, and then fight it. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 1. Ready? Up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. Ready? Up. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's 3. Up. 1, 2. Hold it. 3, 4. That's 4. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's 5. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's 6. Ready? Up. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 7. Ready? Up. Fight it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8. Explode. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. Boom. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And relax. All right, we'll take a 30-40 second break and move on to the second set. If you find this helpful, you can repeat these exercises because this is workout is a little quick for you. You say, hey, 20-minute workout, this is not enough for me. I like doing 40 minutes. Do this again, by all means. Do this again, do 3 sets. Do whatever you gotta do. But remember, don't forget to work a little bit on that power that kind of goes away. We build a lot of endurance as we get older because God knows we've been moving for many years, right? But that power has a tendency to dissipate over the years. And we do what we can either to bring it back or to keep what we got. All right, set number 2. Ready? 3, 2, 1, up. Hold. 1, 2, 3, all the way back, full range of motion, and up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stay with me. Up. 1, 2. Hold it. 3, 4. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4. And up. This is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Halfway there. Ready? Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do 2 more. Up. It's getting tough. 1. Hold it. 2, 3, 4. And last one. Up. 1, 2. Hold it. 3, 4, 5. And let go. Beautiful. All right. Sticking with the red band. We're going for rows. It's one of my favorite band exercises, I gotta say. Nice wide stance. You should be seeing the preview right now. Nice wide stance. I'm gonna pull up quickly, hold it, give me a static hold for about a second, and slow release, all right? Kind of the same pace that we just did on the chest exercise, but we are obviously rowing. So let's get into position here. Make sure this isn't twisted, there we go. Make sure I'm visible on the camera, there we go. All right. Get those feet set so this thing doesn't pop out. Pick up one or both of the bands, however, whatever works for you. And it's the same thing. Ready? Brace that core and go up. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can bend those knees a little bit and power up. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And power up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. Hold it. 1. Fight it. 3, 4. And up. 1. Fight it. 3, 4. And up. Fight it. Fight it. 3, 4. Let's do 4 more. Ready? 1, 2. Brace that core. 3, 4. Everything should be braced. 2, 3, 4. And up. 2, 3, 4. And up. 2, 3, and 4. And relax. Remember, brace that core. I can brace that core and talk at the same time. One is not related to the other. You should not be feeling your lower back. Brace everything from here. You should be able to feel that core nice and tight. All right, let's take a little break. Another 20 seconds. I've already been talking. And we'll move on to the last and final set. Pull up, hold, and then slowly let go, right? Oh, so one more set. You guys ready to go? Let's get set up slowly. Take our time so we give enough time to recover between the sets. This is pretty much a minimum time to recover between sets. But we are not pushing very heavy weights today, so minimum time is okay. All right, ready to go? 3, 2, 1. Grab that band. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and go up. Hold it. 1, 2, 3. Up. 1, 2, 3. Don't just try to stand up with it. I want to roll. 1. Hold that back. 2, 3, 4. You can use the leg to start the momentum a little bit and finish with the arms. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do 5 more. Ready? 1. Hold it. 2. Let go of the arms. Put them straight. Then you can bend the legs a little bit and pick those arms up. 2, 3, 4. And up. 2, 3, 4. 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 more. 1. Hold it. 2, 3, and 4. All right, well, that's done. I've only used the green band today. We have one more exercise, no bends required. So you know what I'm gonna do? Since we're resting, and this is just kind of filmed in one take like all my videos, I'm gonna get rid of these and put them over here on Bob. He can hang on to them. We are going to do some side lunges. Like I said, we're gonna work on a little bit of mobility today, which is something I have to work on. So yes, you can make fun of me and my immobility during these exercises. I'm going to do the best that I can, but side lunges are one of the best exercises you should be doing for your legs and your hip mobility. Don't forget them. I need to do them more starting today. You guys ready to go? Just gonna side lunge. So you're gonna go as deep as you can. Try to leave that foot on the ground. If it comes up, it comes up. It's not the end of the world. Ready? 3 each. 8 on each side. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Down and up. down, and up. Try to stay as upright as you can. Down, and up. Down, and explode up. Down, and up. Let's do 2 more on this side. Ready? 1, boom, and up. 2, and up. All right. Don't neglect the other side. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. First one is always a measure. And up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Come on. Work with me. Up. 4 more. 1. There we go. 2. There we go. 3. There we go. Last one. 4. And up. Beautiful, beautiful. 1 more set left, guys, and we're gonna be all done with the workout. How you guys feeling? I feel good. Actually, happy Mother's Day. Happy belated Mother's Day, I should say, because you're gonna see this workout on Monday. It is Sunday morning that I am filming it. Yes, I'm filming it on Mother's Day, unfortunately. But Mom is in church, so we're good to go. I have a couple hours of free time. Anyway, back to the side we started. 8 repetitions. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, and boom. Down and explode up. Down as low as you can go and explode up. If you can go lower than me, God bless you, please do it. And up. Down. Up. Let's do 4 more. 1. Up. 2. Up. 3. Up. 1 more. Down. Up. Beautiful. All right, we're switching sides. Last set of the workout. Ready? 3, 2, 1. To the side. 1. Up. 2. Push up. 3. Up. 4. Up. This leg is definitely not as flexible. Up. 3 more. 1. But we're working on it. We're working on it together. 2. 1 more. Down and up. And that's it. We are done with today's resistance band. Kind of a power workout, what I like doing. Like I said, very, very effective. Guys, my name is Paul. This is Fit After 50. Don't forget workouts every Monday and every Thursday. This is about 60 minutes or so. I'll see you guys then. I hope you enjoyed the workout.